Found an AM3 file from a CD-ROM autorun project. This is a project from AutoPlay Media Studio 3.0 multimedia development software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these AutoPlay Media Studio project files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading AM3 file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. AM3. Files are project files created by AutoPlay Media Studio version 3.0, a multimedia development application from Indigo Rose Software, used for creating CD-ROM autorun menus, product demos, and interactive multimedia presentations. They contain complete project data with interface design, content references, and Lua scripting code. AM3. Files use AutoPlay Media Studio's proprietary format, storing project data, including page layouts, button definitions, image references, action scripts, and media file links. The format includes complete interface designs, Lua script code, and configuration settings designed for the AutoPlay Media Studio development environment. The optimal viewer for the AM3 format is generally considered to be AutoPlay Media Studio from Indigo Rose. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows allows inspection of the code, but safe operation requires compatible environments. The first action is critical. Right-click your AM3 file and select Open With. Use AutoPlay Media Studio if it is installed. If it's not available, select another program. Don't stop until the file successfully opens. If the AM3 file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, opening an AutoPlay Media Studio. Install AutoPlay Media Studio 3.0 or compatible newer versions and use File then Open to load the AM3 file. The software displays the project with all pages, buttons, scripts, and media references intact. This enables continued development testing and final compilation to executable autorun applications. Next, migrating to newer versions. Use AutoPlay Media Studio's project conversion to upgrade AM3 files to current version formats. Newer versions provide enhanced features and modern Windows compatibility while preserving project content. The migration process automates conversion, preserving most project elements with potential adjustments for newer features. Finally, contacting Indigo Rose support. Contact Indigo Rose Software for assistance with legacy AM3 files or version compatibility issues. The vendor provides documentation, update guidance, and technical support for AutoPlay Media Studio across software versions. This ensures continued access to historical multimedia development projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.